Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We do not recommend washing your stainless steel bottles in the dishwasher, as doing so may cause discoloration of powder coat finish. Since the lids aren't powder coated, they are safe to be washed in the top rack of the dishwasher.
Let's help you make your mark.
Stainless steel. Most experts say it's okay to put stainless steel products in the dishwasher, but with a few caveats. The general fear is that detergent and excessive humidity will corrode the metal, and that acidic food soils will tarnish its polish. Okay, not really, but they do dull over time in the dishwasher. 11 September 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
Short answer, yes, stainless steel is dishwasher safe. Stainless steel does corrode when exposed to acid or base solutions, however. Only wash kitchen knives by hand. Dishwasher detergent is quite abrasive and dulls blades. 6 April 2018.
Take our lead.
Typically the dishwasher safe symbol looks like a square box with some plates or glasses, or both, inside it. This is true for both top rack and generally dishwasher safe items. You'll also see either water droplets or diagonal lines that are meant to signify water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.